Hello beautiful people, welcome once again to Abenasia's recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video I am sharing with you Ghana Waakye with no leaves or rice and beans with no sorghum leaves. Let's get right into it. I have here 1 pound or 2 cups of washed black-eyed peas, and then I'll add about 10 cups of water. I'll cover and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I'll then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I'll be adding my baking soda gradually to prevent my beans from boiling over. I'll leave my beans uncovered and then I'll cook it for another 15 more minutes or until my beans is tender. And to know if my beans is cooked, I'll take one of the beans and then mash it with my fingers. If it mashes very easily, that means it is time to add my rice. It should not have to be too mushy. It should just be almost cooked but not all the way cooked. My washed rice is now added. 3.5 cups of Jasmine rice. I'll then add 3 bay leaves. I have here my onion and then my ginger. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of salt or to taste. I'll give it a quick mix. I'll then add a 1/4 cup of butter, or you can even use oil if you prefer. I'll give that a mix and then I will cover and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes or until almost all the water has dissolved. At this point in time, I'll use my big fork here and then I'll give my rice a mix. You can use a wooden spoon if you prefer. This step is very important. You need to mix your rice during the cooking process. I'll use the fork to create wells or poke holes in the middle. That helps the rice cook faster. And then I'll cover with a parchment paper and then allow my rice to cook on a low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until your rice is cooked to perfection. It's been 10 minutes already and the waakye or the rice and beans is done cooking. Look at how beautiful it turned out. If you don't like your waakye or your rice and beans too soft, please use about 8 cups of water. But 10 cups of water is just perfect. I present to you my waakye dinner plate. I have waakye with spaghetti, my shito, and then my stew, a little bit of salad. And this is what we enjoyed for dinner. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please leave me a feedback. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment. Hit that notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you, and please stay safe. Bye guys.